What is up, RC enthusiasts? It's David from RunThatRc, and as you saw in the beginning, we've got ourselves a four-wheel steering rig right here. Oh man, is this thing sweet. I'm loving this thing right now. Check it out. Still needs some fine-tuning, but I just freshly built her last night. Right here you can see the rear steer. Turns really well now, so I've got the four-wheel steer. Can lock it to just the front wheels. Lock it to just the rear wheels, and I can have regular four-wheel, and I can crab. Oh man, it's so weird. Well, there you go, guys. Another mod, you know, for us people that like to tinker with our toys. Another thing I came up with to do. So you can see right there. Well, in my next video, I'll show you guys how I put that together. I'm using a FlySky GT3C radio and these receivers right here. I just waterproof them, plasti dip. There's multiple other ways to waterproof stuff, but that's what I've been using successfully for now, and until I run out of plasti dip, I won't change it. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video on this thing. I'll explain how I did this all. And also, it is very simple. The only thing you would need is at least 2 of these kits to make this happen. That's the cheapest way I could think of making it happen. Instead of buying all the parts separately, just get 2 of these kits. Well, stay tuned for my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I sure enjoyed building it. It's pretty cool as a 4-wheel steering rig now. Well, you guys have a great day. Go out there, run that RC.